Hi, and welcome to MSc. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to determine the molecular formula if we know the empirical formula. The common way this will present itself is you'll be given the molar mass. And molar mass can be determined through other techniques when we have an unknown sample, but it in and of itself is not enough to get the molecular formula. But if we happen to know the empirical formula, and the molar mass, then we do have enough information to determine the molecular formula. So in this example, we have an unknown substance that has an empirical formula of C5H10O2. If you'd like to see where that came from, in a previous video, we found that from percent composition information in another example. So what we have to do here, because we are given a molar mass of 204.3 grams per mole, is in order to calculate the molecular formula, we have a couple steps. The first thing we need to do is we need to do a division. We're going to take the actual molar mass as provided here, and we're going to divide that actual molar mass by the empirical molar mass. And we're going to look at what number that gives us. Well, we know that the actual molar mass, as provided here in the question, is 204.3, and we have to divide that by the empirical one. So let's look at the molar mass of the empirical. I'll switch over here to a subscript for ease of writing here. But what we have to do is we have to add this up for 5 of the carbon, and the molar mass of carbon is 1201, and we have 10 of the hydrogen. We're going to add 10 hydrogen, and the molar mass of hydrogen is 1.01, and then 2 of the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16.00. I'll just write the 16. When we add those up, and those are all from the periodic table, then we have 102.15 grams per mole. So that is our molar mass based on the empirical formula. And we will put that in over here into the formula, this ratio that we've set up. And when we do this division, we'll get 2. You won't always get a nice whole number like this. You could get one that's very, very close to a whole number, in which case you'd round nicely. But that would be what you'd be expecting, is a whole number piece here. What we now to do with that 2 is we look at our empirical formula, which I'll rewrite here, C5H10O2. And what we'll do now is we'll multiply all those subscripts by the value that we got over here, the 2. So we're going to multiply by 2. And what that generates then for us is a value of C10H20O4. And this is the molar mass then of our unknown substance. So this here, that is your molar formula, apologies. This is your molecular formula. Sorry about that. Molecular formula. And that's how we calculate the molecular formula from an empirical formula with the addition of the molar mass as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you very much for watching.